Hello everyone, and welcome to the Edunet Parent Portal demonstration. The Edunet's purchase portal has been designed from the ground up. It's been custom written with simplicity in mind. The overall result is a fast and easy to use process that all of your parents will be happy to navigate. The portal is located at portal.edunet.com.au. It works in all browsers and across all mobile devices. What you can see in front of you is the portal screen itself, and you can see that there are three key options. We've got purchase, which clicks off the portal purchasing process. We've got warranty, which allows you to log a warranty job for any post-sales issues that may arise. And we've got frequently asked questions. Frequently asked questions are compiled on a daily, weekly, monthly basis and really come from the feedback we get from the parents and schools directly. So let's kick it off. Let's go through and put a sample purchase through on the portal. Clicking purchase brings up an access code prompt. Many schools like to run different portals to different year levels, and the access code itself just differentiates what set of machines are going to be displayed. Once we've logged into the portal, you'll see that we're actually presented with a range of devices. Your parents would have already been provided with the collateral and the handouts that would match the specs here, and we would have worked with the school to make sure that the hardware offered matches the program the school intends running. You can see here that we've got a Lenovo ThinkPad Yoga, we've got some iPad options, and we've also got some more traditional net notebook options. Simply selecting the notebook, highlights it and confirms the selection. From here we can move to the next screen. At this point, we've proceeded to the options page. Options can be anything from a laptop bag through to an extended warranty, an insurance policy, or perhaps a school software levy. It's important to note that we can automatically select options, as you can see with the iBroker insurance here, whilst leaving other options optional for parents to select. I'm going to go right ahead and choose a bag option. You'll notice over on the right hand side here that the shopping cart is updated as we're going. We can see that our original ThinkPad Yoga that we selected is at the top here. Our mandatory option of iBroker insurance has been automatically included, and now the performance backpack that I chose previously has also been included. You can see that we're getting a running subtotal as we go. This is important for the parents to see what they're going to be up for every step of the way. You'll also see that we've got a weekly payment option. I'll go on to talk a little bit more about that. Once we've finished selecting our options, we can proceed to the family details. There are some key details that we need to get from the parents, namely the student's name. I'm going to go ahead and use my own. The student's year level. The school name is populated automatically. Just going to go ahead and continue filling these in. I do have to continue filling these fields in because, as you can see, they're all validated. It's really, really important that we get all of the information we need to ensure that warranties, insurance policies, and just ownership details are consistent. We make a point at any parent information night of letting the parents know that we will initially try to contact them should we need to via email address and fall back to SMS. You'll also see there are some basic terms and conditions that they need to agree to. You'll see that we're now proceeding to the school's IT policy. This is an optional step and can be used to get the parents and students to review your school's IT policy on the purchase of a machine. This option was brought about after consultation with many of our schools who are still using a paper-based system. It allows us to collect the agreements on your behalf, and it also ensures that any parent that turns up with a BYOD machine has read and agreed to your terms and conditions. There can be multiple IT policies here. Particularly now, given schools are moving down an Office 365 and cloud path, there may be a second set of terms and conditions they need to agree to around privacy. From here, the parents move through to a payment section. You can see before we're talking about payment, they're going to get a full summary of the order. You're going to see all of the accessories, all of the specifications, and also a confirmation on all of the parent contact details. Again, we see a total down the bottom and an option to add a discount coupon. The coupon code's a very interesting option that's come about again through feedback from schools that said they would like to be able to offer scholarship students and students of parents in need an option to amortize the cost of the machine. Again, we also see a weekly option, which I will go on to talk about further down the track. From here, we can proceed to payment selection. On the payment selection page, you'll see that we accept 3 payment types. The parents can go straight ahead and pay by credit card now. There is a 1.5% surcharge that's passed on by the bank there. Okay. Then they can instead opt to pay via direct deposit. If they click accept and pay now, they're given our bank details, but we also absolutely make a point of telling them our details will be provided via email. They can then do the direct deposit at their leisure. Finally, we've got the 12 months interest-free finance by Zip Money available here. We spent a lot of time evaluating financiers, and Zip were by far the most ethical and the cheapest lender. We do not inflate the price of the machine for the parents that are choosing finance, and the Zip process is done entirely online. There are some fees and charges associated with Zip, and I encourage you to contact their offices to have a discussion around that. As you can see, they're asked for some fairly basic details, and if they choose the finance option, go through a short online survey that then produces them with a result on the spot. If for whatever reason Zip choose to review that, they've committed to giving an answer to the parents within 15 minutes during business hours. The idea being that this is a streamlined process for parents that are financing or paying up front. I'm going to go right ahead and choose bank transfer to get this order rolling. Once I've chosen bank transfer, it's a matter of clicking complete purchase and the portal process is done. There's an order in our system. The parents are sent a confirmation email, and you also get details of the order, the student's details, and the hardware selection in your school's portal admin section. If you'd like to review the admin section, you're welcome to select the other video that takes you through this. From here, I would like to thank you for taking the time to review our portal, and I would genuinely encourage you to get in touch with our team at the office because we'd be delighted to visit your school or college and actually take you through this in person. Again, thank you very much.